everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm cooking something very healthy, super delicious and absolutely easy to cook. So here I'm cooking zucchini. I make this almost every week and we really enjoy it with rice and chapatis. So here is how to cut it. Just chop the top and bottom and then split it into two halves and then into two more, and then start chopping it. So it is so soft to cut. Do not forget to subscribe my channel for more such healthy recipes. Trust me, you will definitely lose some weight if you eat this every week. And this recipe is very easy. You don't need to chop any onion, garlic, ginger or tomatoes for this. You just have to chop zucchini. That's it. This super fresh vegetable is high in antioxidants. It improves heart health and reduces blood sugars. Heat oil in a pan and put in cumin seeds and coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon each, and then add in the freshly cut zucchini. Toss it. Zucchini is also called as superfood because it is high in vitamin C, A, potassium, folate and fiber. This recipe is so effortless. Just put in some salt, turmeric powder, around 2/3 teaspoon. Mix it well. Add in around half liters of water. Mix it well again. Cover it and let it cook for 10 minutes on medium flame, and meanwhile you can do some other household chores. Now it's already 5 minutes and I'm checking it. It's still semi-cooked. I'll cover it again and cook it for more 5 minutes. Being a power-packed food, it promotes proper digestion and also it's a detoxification. And it is also called as a true brain food. And it is cooked now. Now I will mash it using this. Now I am putting in some sweet baby peas. These are the frozen peas. You can use the fresh ones as well. It gives it a very nice taste when you add in peas to zucchini. Cover it again and cook it for another 5 minutes. Now I'm adding in the dehydrated chopped onions. If you don't have this, you can just grate 2 pieces of garlic and a small piece of ginger here, but I'm using this, and I'm again mashing it and then cook it for another 5 minutes. Now I added some crumbled cottage cheese and garam masala, around 2/3 teaspoon, or as per your taste you can add. And it is already looking so delicious, so fragrant, so green. Cover it and cook for another 5 minutes, and it's done. I turned off the flame and it stopped cooking, and it is ready to eat. You can have it with chapatis or rice or tortillas, and it is so healthy to eat. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section how it tasted. Try it with your family and friends so that they can also enjoy this healthy curry. Thanks for watching.